Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones JBL Vibe Flex on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line here or click on search here and write JBL. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. Allow. Get started. Accept. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!